Wholesome talaga tayo, pero laswa yung lulutuin natin. Gagawa tayo ng freestyle vegetable dish na pwede mo lagyan ng kahit anong gulay. Ito yung laswa. Let's start cooking! So, itong dish na to, marami itong pangalan. Di ba? It's called laswa in Iloilo, utan Bisaya in Cebu, inabraw in Ilocos, or dinengdeng. So, ito siya is just a pot of boiling water and you add whatever vegetables na meron ka. So, kanta ka lang ng bahay kubo, pwede na. And it's a very nice na dish na very healthy, rich in fiber, so many vitamins and minerals, pero sobrang swak sa budget. So, it's very simple. Meron tayong mga ricados natin, no? So, we have our ginger. Very important ginger at gamit ko pang balat ng aking ginger ay aking kutsara. Why kutsara? Because, you know, the spoon can go around the mga small corners, no? At saka, manipis lang yung natatanggal na balat, no? Hindi sayang. Kasi ang mahal ng vegetables ngayon, no? Ito, I will add my ginger. So, ito siya. Yung una kong ginagawa, ito, inuuna ko talaga yung aking mga lamas, no? Sa Bisaya pa, lamas, mga ricados sa atin. Crazy cut, there are no rules, no? Kung anong meron kayo, lalagay mo. Ito, may kamatis din. At ginagawa ko, in a pot of boiling water, inuuna ko talaga to sila para to infuse flavor. Yan, inuuna ko yan. Okay, then add all this. Ang gusto ko kasi dito is, bago ko pa ilagay yung ibang mga gulay ko, eto siya, may lasa na yung aking tubig, no? Aking sabaw. Usually, yung ginagawa namin sa amin, ginagamit namin dito, kung may fresh fish ka, lalagyan mo ng fresh fish or shrimps, or minsan may tira-tira, no? Sometimes, meron kang leftover fish. Ito, may natira. So, you can put it there. Sometimes, you keep it whole, ganyan, or hatiin mo sa gitna. Some people, medyo ayaw ng mga tinik-tinik. Yan. I-shred na nila yung meat. Pero ako kasi, yung gusto ko kasi, yung ulo ng fish, nilalagay dyan kasi it's very flavorful. Dagdag sa lasa ng ating sabaw. Then, eto siya, gagawin natin. Remove the flesh, no? Para i-fillet natin siya. Sa amin tawag dito, subak, no? And ang next step natin is to prepare our other vegetables. Ito siya, meron akong kalabasa. So, you always start, una, flavor your soup, no? Next, you add your hard vegetables. So, anong hard vegetable? Meron kalabasa, kung may gabi ka, may ube ka, may kamote ka, yan in-next mo ilagay. And we add our kalabasa, no? So, very important, timing to, no? Hindi pwede ilagay mo lahat ng sabay-sabay because some vegetables cook faster than the rest. Minsan, pag nagsasawa kami ng very plain soup na straightforward lang ng ganyan, minsan nilalagyan namin ng gata. And alam mo, these vegetables are really very good for you. Cut it to small pieces, yan, lagay natin. And we will rinse that all. So, next natin, yung mga medium na toughness, no? Yung mga secondary maluto. So, ito siya comfort food sa amin talaga to. So, when I was growing up, siguro once a week merong ganito. And yan lang siya. Ulam na namin yan. So, these ones are already washed. Ito yung next ko. Next batch of vegetables ilalagay. Ito, sabay ko na yung aking siling pang sigang. Just one. Break it. And sitaw. Not too much. Ito, sobrang dami nito. Ito, you don't even have to use your knife. You just have to tear it apart. Ito, ginagamit din namin yung tangkay ng ube. Third batch natin, ito, himay-himay. So, alugbati. So, ito, the key nito, di ba? Yung mga malambot na stems, break it apart. And ito, pag malambot pa siya, yan, sama mo. And ito, saluyot. And it's very important to wash your vegetables, ha? Huwag mong hayaan na gamitin na galing sa palengke, din diretso. And our malunggay. Ito, yung mga gulay ko. Iba galing sa palengke. Iba galing sa garden. Garden ng kapitbahay. Thank you! Diba, nanghingi kami ng malunggay sa kapitbahay. Alam mo, if you start your kids, you know, with this job alone, it will develop patience, no? Of course, we will wash our vegetables. Ito, I want to rinse it several times hanggang maging clear yung water ng konti. Kung hindi ka talaga sure, no, if you really want it to be very clean, you can add a little bit of baking soda to your water to remove mga pesticides, yung mga dumidikit, no, mga hardened na mga soil. So, ito siya. You wash your vegetables before slicing. Kung gusto mo, diskumpiyado ka pa, you can also wash it after. Ito pa lang, oh, malasa na yung aking soup, no? Because of my ginger, onions, and tomatoes. Aking kalabasa is almost cooked, pero hindi pa siya malata, no? Cooked, but still firm. That is the time I will add my other vegetables. Punong-puno yung aking pot kasi papakainin ko yung aking buong staff ng healthy today. Wala silang choice. Yung ayaw ng saluyot, watch out. Bawal sa'yo na tumanggi. And ang panimpla nito, sometimes asin lang. Sobrang simple, asin lang. Sometimes patis. Yan siya. Let it simmer, let it cook. And last, i-add natin yung ating other leafy vegetables. So, kailangan luto na yung ating talong, sitaw, okra. And if you cook with malunggay, it's one of the healthiest vegetables you can have. More vitamin C than carrots, more calcium than milk, diba? And a lot of benefits. So kahit nasabihin mo, sobrang simple lang ng pagkain mo, dagdag ka lang ng malunggay, tutulong na rin yan sa health ng mga anak nyo. Patis lang, patis. Lalagay ko yung aking leafy vegetables, diba? Umaapaw sa sarap at sustansya. Lalagyan natin yung malunggay. More malunggay dapat to eh. Yan. Pero that's good enough. Tingnan mo ha, papatayin ko yung aking heat. Papatayin ko siya because I want, yan, mainit pa yung aking sabaw. I want to cook it at a lower temperature. So yung gagawin ko, cover that, hindi na siya kumukulo. Ibig sabihin, yung temperature na bumaba na siya. It will not ruin the vitamins and minerals of your green leafy vegetables. But to make sure, ayaw naman natin kumain ng hilaw, kasi mapait minsan pag hilaw yung malunggay, you will cover your pot and you will let it rest for a few minutes. Sige mga 2 to 3 minutes in low heat to cook the vegetables, to infuse all the vitamins and minerals into your soup, and be ready to serve. Ganun lang siya. So now, after 2 minutes, mainit pa yung sabaw natin. Our vegetables aren't overcooked. Look at that, no? Ang ganda niya. And now, ready to plate. Ito siya. Laswa or utan bisaya, or tinatawag na dinengdeng, or inabraw. Yan! I'm ready. I will show you that I really eat these vegetables. This is a mixture of saluyot, alugbati, and malunggay. Sabaw naman. Very nice. Wow. So alam niyo tong ganitong klaseng ulam. Let's cook it again. Ito na ating very healthy recipe for today. Ating mixed vegetable soup or laswa. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!